Hey friends, so have you been wanting to feel better, make a change, and just commit to a healthier you? Well, now's the time, and you can do it. You just need the right plan and the right support. That's why we created the 14-day Plant-Based Detox Challenge. It's a simple, doable plan that is designed to help you reset, refresh, and feel amazing. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone.
That's right. We're all in this together. And you'll have us plus an entire community cheering you on every step of the way.
Inside the Detox Guide, we give you a 14-day meal plan with delicious plant-based recipes,
A shopping list to keep things simple,
daily support in our private Facebook group to keep you motivated.
and best of all, this detox is fun, flexible, and enjoyable.
No starving, no boring meals, just good food and great results.
So what are you waiting for? Grab your guide at thedivinechef.com and let's do this. Your best self is waiting. Click the link now.
We can't wait to detox with you, so join us today.